Greetings, everyone, and a warm welcome. In this video presentation, I will discuss the topic the adult learning theory, given by Malcolm Knowles. Let us try to understand the adult learning theory Andragogy. Malcolm Shepard Knowles, 1913 to 1997, was an American educator well known for the use of the term andragogy as synonymous to adult education. According to Malcolm Knowles, andragogy is the art and science of adult learning, thus andragogy refers to any form of adult learning. The term andragogy can be supposedly equivalent to the term pedagogy. Andragogy in Greek means man-leading in comparison to pedagogy, which in Greek means child-leading. However, it should be noted that the term pedagogy has been used since the ancient Greek times, while Alexander Kapp, a German educator, first used the term andragogy in 1833. Key principles of andragogy. 1. Self-concept. Knowles believed that adults have a self-concept that emphasizes their ability to take responsibility for their own lives. Adults prefer to be seen and treated as capable of making independent decisions and taking control of their learning. 2. Experience. Adult learners come with a wealth of experiences that can be leveraged in the learning process. Knowles advocated for the integration of these experiences into the educational context, emphasizing the importance of drawing on adults' life experiences as a learning resource. 3. Readiness to learn. Adults are more willing to learn when they perceive the information as immediately applicable to their lives. Knowles emphasized the importance of aligning learning objectives with the practical needs and goals of adult learners, making the content relevant and meaningful. 4. Orientation to learning. Adults are motivated to learn subjects that have a direct relevance to their job or personal life. Knowles suggested that adult education should focus on real-life problems and situations to make the learning experience more applicable and engaging. 5. Motivation. Internal factors, such as the desire for self-improvement, career advancement, or personal growth, drive adult learners. Knowles advocated for tapping into these intrinsic motivations to enhance the learning experience and stimulate active engagement. 6. Need to know. Adults need to know why they need to learn something before investing time and effort in the learning process. Knowles suggested that educators should provide a clear understanding of the objectives and relevance of the learning content. 7. Self-directed learning. Knowles believed that adults prefer to take charge of their own learning. He emphasized the importance of creating opportunities for self-directed learning, allowing adults to set their own goals, plan their learning path, and evaluate their progress. 8. Problem-centered approach. Adult learners are more engaged when learning is centered around real-world problems. Knowles advocated for a problem-solving approach where the learning experience is designed to address practical issues and challenges. These principles emphasize the active involvement of adult learners in the learning process, recognizing their autonomy, experiences, and intrinsic motivations. Knowles' theory of andragogy has significantly influenced adult education and continues to shape how educators approach teaching and learning for adult learners. Knowles' 4 principles of andragogy. In 1984, Knowles suggested 4 principles that are applied to adult learning. 1. Adults need to be involved in the planning and evaluation of their instruction. 2. Experience, including mistakes, provides the basis for the learning activities. 3. Adults are most interested in learning subjects that have immediate relevance and impact to their job or personal life. 4. Adult learning is problem-centered rather than content-oriented. Examples of andragogy in practice. 1. Corporate training programs. In a corporate training program for adult employees, andragogical principles can be applied by allowing participants to set their learning goals based on their job responsibilities. The training can incorporate real-life scenarios and case studies, drawing on the rich professional experiences of the participants. 2. Language learning courses for adults. Language learning courses designed for adults can integrate andragogical principles by acknowledging the learner's self-directed motivations. These courses may allow adults to choose specific language skills relevant to their needs, such as business communication or travel-related language skills. 3. Community college programs for adult learners. Community college programs catering to adult learners often apply andragogical principles. Courses may be structured to allow for collaborative learning, recognizing the wealth of experiences adults bring to the classroom. Additionally, these programs may offer flexible scheduling options to accommodate the diverse responsibilities of adult students. Benefits and criticisms. Benefits. Andragogy emphasizes the active involvement and self-direction of adult learners, making education more relevant and engaging. It acknowledges the importance of learners' experiences and motivations, promoting a learner-centric approach. Criticisms. Critics argue that the principles of andragogy are not universally applicable and that individuals vary in their learning preferences. Additionally, some contend that the principles may oversimplify the complexities of adult learning. Thank you, everyone. If you're passionate about education and teacher training, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel Education and Teacher Education at Shokeen Bilal.